So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Neeraj Nidhi. So friends, this is Pivot Table Part 3 video, and in this video I'll tell you how to add additional calculation in Pivot Table. You can directly open the window for this option by using shortcut key, which is Alt plus JT plus J plus F. By using this shortcut key, you can directly open the window for adding additional calculation in pivot table. Moving to my data. So this is my data source. So this is sales data, by using which I created a pivot table in part 1, and by using the same data I added the, a few more data points in this data and changed the data source of my existing pivot table without creating a new pivot table. Okay, so if you haven't watched my part 1 and part 2 video of pivot table series, so I request you please watch part 1 and part 2 video also for better understanding. You can find the link for both the parts in description. Okay, so in this part I'm going to add additional calculation in pivot table, directly in pivot table, not in data source, directly in pivot table. So for this I need to click on analyze tab. Then under calculation you will find fields, items and sets. Click here. The first option says that calculation field. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to add a calculation field for target versus achievement. Okay, so I will say achievement percentage. For this I need to put calculation. So the calculation is very simple, the same way you apply calculation to in your data sheet, in your normal Excel sheet, which is like equal to, if I need to do sum of two cells, uh, so I simply do equal to first cell plus second cell, or most of the time I use sum function. So the same way this calculation fields work. Okay, so now for calculating the achievement percentage, first I need the achievement, which is my revenue. Then click on the revenue from the below field box. Okay, insert, then click on insert field, then slash, which is the divide sign, then target. Then again select target and click insert. Okay, now time to add the calculation. Okay, so now click on add, then okay. So now you can, like, see, it is difficult to read, but so let's make it easy. Now I'm selecting Asia continent from the list, like this. So now the data which is like showing in my pivot table is for Asia, and under Asia there are two countries, India and Sri Lanka. Okay, so now what my calculation says, look here, you can see the additional field here in my data. Okay, which is for achievement percentage, which I added in my calculation. Okay, so this will give me the percentage, achievement percentage of each team. Okay, if you see here the achievement percentage, now I need to change it to percentage. So select this, go to insert, then click on percentage sign under number section. Okay, wow, great. So it says Team A achieved 109 percentage, Team B achieved 26 percentage. So let's make it more simple and more easy to read. I'm adding target field in value. Okay. I'm freezing the rows and column so it is easy to read the pivot table. So now if you see, my achievement for team A is 109 percentage, my achievement for team B is 26 percentage, achievement for team C is 167 percentage, which is really good. Team D's achievement is 127 percentage and team E's performance is 126 percentage. Okay, but in data source there is no achievement percentage column or field. So this is how you can add. If you want to cross check if the calculation is correct or not, so now in my pivot table there are both the um, columns for target and revenue separately. Now you can check manually by calculating achievement divided by the target. And here is my achievement, which is 109 percentage. Let's calculate. Okay, so now this is how you can add any calculation in pivot table directly without adding any calculation in your raw sheet or your source data, which is like sometimes very easy to understand and very easy to present to someone. Okay, so friends, thank you for watching my video, and there are few more parts of this video. So this is part 1, which I told you about pivot table. Part 2 is about add more data. You can find the link for both the parts in description. Now the current session is about how to add additional calculation in pivot table. Now the coming part is about add slicer and timeline, create pivot chart, create dashboard in pivot table. So thank you for watching my video. You can leave your queries, suggestions, or any questions in comment option. If you like this video, please click on thumb impression. You can also share this video with your friends and family members and office colleagues, or you can request you to please subscribe